Let's fill out the Oklahoma Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong. The VIN, type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer, write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500. And how it's paid. Here, paid in full by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties. And it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. If you're selling a vehicle in this state, here's what you'll need to know. First, you'll be using a specific form, Form 718, which is the bill of sale for an electronic title. Make sure you have that ready to go. Now, this state does require notarization, so both parties will need to sign in front of a notary public. Don't skip this step because it's required to make everything official. When it comes to the title, you'll need to complete Form 701-7. That's the application for a duplicate certificate of title. And if there's a lien on the vehicle, you'll also need a lien release before the sale can move forward. For the odometer, the state requires an odometer disclosure statement, so the seller will need to document the vehicle's mileage at the time of sale. The purchase price also needs to be documented, so make sure the sale amount is clearly recorded in your paperwork. One more thing for sellers. You'll need to provide either a valid driver's license or an FEI number to verify your identity. Take your time gathering all of these documents before the sale, and double-check each one to avoid any delays. Your state also offers an official form, the Form 718, if you'd rather use it. It's linked in the description. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.